hip toss sweep, hip toss sweep. So here we go. I throw my arm straight behind his shoulder and tie up, move my hip up, roll and roll and roll. Tuck your head on the ground so you can kind of stop the path. Here are my legs in here. I spin, turn around, turn around. When I spin right there, I turn until I get what? The wrist, stay strong. Then here I kind of force, look, back and forth. I even move my hip, look, stay tight. The guy's arm is tight, no problem. Walk your hip towards the guy over here, then walk back. Eventually you pull here, look. You got the grip, the Kimura grip. And now here, move your hip towards his body and slide your elbow towards the head. He's already tapping. But if he doesn't tap, put your other elbow on the ground, lift one up and turn the other way to get the finishing that you like it. Uno más, real quick. Switch. So when I get the shoulder here, I retract. Okay, here right now, no hand. You go here, put your head on the ground, coil your leg. Look here, I'm already grabbing it. Look how I got it right in the air. Now, let's say he wants to roll me. Come with me. You trap that leg. Don't let that leg go. To the Kimura frame. Wiggle, wiggle, and push to the ceiling.